I feel like I'm at the point of my TikTok obsession where if it's not a song I've heard on TikTok, I don't want to hear it. I've got the whole contents of the Boots dry shampoo aisle in my Roots and there is just no getting it out. Oh my god. I also have the world's strongest coffee ever. 2 small spoons of coffee. Ooh! Ooh! My foundation's really making it look like I've got a mustache. Right, little story for you. I got sent mustache bleach from a company. Just randomly. Didn't ask for it. Just got sent it. I think maybe they're trying to tell me something. Hello everyone! I showed my armpits for like the first time in 2 weeks. You know, it's getting real. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not only going to be an Urban Outfitters haul, but it's also going to be a submission into the private school realm of TikTok. When I think of Urban Outfitters, I think of the privately educated, aka not me. I placed a ginormous haul on Urban Outfitters, and thanks to one of you guys, I got a little cheeky student discount. Don't tell uni days. Ugh. Why am I downing coffee like I'm downing a pint? You know shit is real when your order comes in, oh god, a huge box. Ooh, sneak peek. Right, okay, I think this is telling enough that I've got enough clothes to clothe a small army of private school girls, so let's get started. Woo!
Oh, it's dark and it's crusty. Whoa, why do I look green? Shrek vibes. I keep saying private school, ooh, private school. I just want to make a point. I don't have any issue with private school. You guys know this, like I don't even have to be sat here telling you this. Also, just noticing I'm wearing the same top. Is that grubby? I don't know, maybe. I just want to reiterate, obviously I don't have anything against private school. I'm just a sarcastic person, but you guys know that. Love you.
Okay, so the first thing I have to show you is this beautiful tie-dye jumper. Definitely passes the TikTok vibe check. It's from their own brand, Eats France. I'm not going to talk about this for too long because I actually know that this has unfortunately already completely sold out, so I'm afraid you can't get your hands on this. You're just gonna have to admire me in it. Woo! Make your own at home anyway. This was like 50 quid. 50 quid. Who do I think I am? So we had a little bit of casual wear on the top, party in the bottom. The next thing I got is this really cute little peplum top. This was in the sale, I believe. I can't remember how much for, but I saw it. I actually first saw it on this girl I follow on TikTok and Instagram. Her name is Megan Clark and the vibes are immaculate. I thought it was really cute. She wore it with some like little gingham shorts. To be honest, I can't decide as to whether I think it's flattering or not. Maybe if I pull it down on the waist a bit more, but like material here is kind of loose and baggy and I feel like it makes it look like I've got a little bit more fat than I do, you know? Wow, can you tell I cut my own hair? To be honest, I'll probably keep it. I think it would be really cute with like some shorts and stuff in the summer. She wore it. Have I already said this? I can't remember. Oh my god. I originally didn't know it was from Urban Outfitters and then I saw it on the website and I was like, ooh, you are coming home with me. Ugh, I just burped. And I also got these super fun, oh no, my laptop's been in the corner of the shop the whole time. I also got these really fun, I think they're called Puddle Jeans. I am no longer going to be wearing mum jeans. I know, a big announcement, but I just don't actually think they're flattering. I always thought of mum jeans as just like baggier jeans and I thought you had skinny jeans or mum jeans. My eyes have been opened. I am now a wide leg or a straight fit kind of gal. I feel like mum jeans just make my legs look carrots and I don't want carrots. You know, both a thumbs up, I would say. I also like the way it's like a kind of bra fastening on the back. I actually haven't looked at this bit yet more. Is this like no, it's not broderie on glaze, but it's mesh. And yeah, I just think it's really pretty. Adjustable straps. I have no boobs. The boob cups are small, but doesn't really matter for small chested homegirl. What am I even saying? Oh my god, I nearly forgot. I also got this. Ooh, she's a watch model now. Sorry, don't know if you heard. I got a cute little Casio watch. I actually got one of the small ones because I have quite small wrists. Can't remember if I just said because I have the attention span of a gnat, but I will have links to everything in the description box. I got you covered, girl. Right, so the next top I got is like a similar sort of job. It's another corsety little mini peplum. I like the sort of subtleness of the peplum on these. Little cute top. Is it cream? It's like whitey cream with little roses on. This top is small. If talking about sizing triggers you, by the way, just skip forward 10 seconds. I'm just gonna talk about it quickly because I feel like it helps. I don't know. Oh, I get nervous about this stuff. My normal size is a size 6/extra small, and I got this in a small, and there is no way in hell I would have fit in an extra small. I feel like I would have fit better actually in a medium, so definitely size up, or maybe even size 2 sizes up. The boob cups on these are teeny tiny, even for like my small little boobs. I kind of look like I've got triangle boob going on. Is it enough about boobs? But it is cute. I mean, I fit in it just about, but I reckon there's probably a lot of like back fat spillage, but I do really like it. Oh, Ambery. Guys, the vibes are just not immaculate. So this is the next item. I saw this on the website and I thought, oh my gosh, so cute, but now it's here. I'm getting kind of granny vibes, which I knew was a potential. I mean, I'm sure, and usually when I see these cute little mini dresses, they end up turning into midi dresses on me. I would keep this if it was cheaper, but you guys know Urban Outfitters, you've got to take out a small loan and give your soul to pay for a pair of pants. This dress was £32. 32 to me. I don't think this is worth £32. It hits my knees. I'd want it taking up a little bit. It is see-through, as you guys can see. I am wearing a bra underneath this and you can just totally see it. I wouldn't want to go braless with it just because I'm not actually really a braless kind of girl. Like, I do prefer to wear a bra. I always think it sounds like you're saying like bruh, you know? Kate always says bruh really well. Like, if I say it, it's like bruh. Sounds like a dog, like bruh, you know? What am I trying? I mean, it's not bad. If it was like 10 quid, I would so keep it. I'd be so chuffed with it, but it's £32. I'm just gonna say it again, £32. I'm getting very virginal vibes. What the f— I also bought this hoodie to go with it. Urban Outfitters, really? This hoodie was £42. Look how thin it is. I would very happily pay £42 for a beautiful, thick, heavy grey hoodie. This is like PLT quality. And I'm not saying that because PLT quality is bad, but I'm saying this is £10–15 quality, not £45 quality. That's like champion thick, Timmy thick quality. I got this hoodie in a size small because I kind of thought it would be oversized on me anyway, and I just didn't want it to be too long. Actually, I maybe would have gone up to a medium. Oh, wow, she's so indecisive. I think I will be sending both of these back. Okay, Urban Outfitters, you have redeemed yourself. I feel like Emma Chamberlain in this fun little two-piece. I love it. Oh my god, with a cute little bag in the summertime, going woo, walking down the streets of London, which will not be happening because there's a pandemic going on and I am not a rule breaker. Stay home. I love this so much. I mean, like, what is not to love? One thing I will say is that it comes up a little bit big, so I would recommend sizing down. I ordered my usual sizing, and as you can see, the skirt is a little bit roomy, but I mean, that's not really a problem. I don't really care. I'd always rather have more room than have no room. I know they do some other little different prints of this. The skirt is a perfect length. I just love it. It's really fun and cute and girly. And why did I want to say virginal again? Why is that at the front of my mind? Right, I also got these, which I don't know why I ordered them in black and tortoiseshell. Like, that is just a tad excessive if you ask me. My coffee is cold. Right, so I got these really fun little glasses. I've been on the hunt. Well, I say I've been on the hunt. They're a pretty basic shape, but I know how I want them to fit. I don't want them to come out at the sides. Like, I want them to be the width of my noggin. Moment of truth, ladies and gents. Oh, for fuck's sake, they do not fit how I wanted them to fit. Okay, these do not pass the vibe check. I mean, they look cool. They're not a bad pair of sunglasses. They're just not exactly what I wanted them to be. They're fun. They've got the little gold bit there. They're sort of retro. They look nice with my earrings, actually. I feel like these earrings are giving me saggy lobe. Do you know what I mean? Like when they pull your lobe down and they make your holes look a bit gapey. Oh! The hunt for the perfect pair of sunnies continues. I'm not going to try on the black ones because they will just fit the same, but they also do it in black. I think they also do it in white as well, if you're curious. Right, I don't really have anything else to say about this. I feel like I've gassed it up enough already. Next outfit item. Ooh! 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 Shoes. The only one and got some Doc Martens. The vibe check is nearly complete, boys and girls. Oh my god, how good are these gonna look with this? Also, yes, I've got romper stomper size 7 feet. Don't even try, okay? Because you know what they say, big feet, big heart. So I will say, Doc Marten, I'm not a fan of the way you've added the zip onto the inside. I swear that hasn't been a thing. I used to love Doc Martens. I think I got my first pair when I was like 10 or something. And my school shoes were Doc Martens. Everyone absolutely ripped me for them. Used to say they were builder's boots. Yeah, cute. But I've always stayed loyal. Even when I was vegan, I know they do like vegan ones. These are the extra chunky like platform ones because I love me a chunky trainer. Okay. Devastating news, guys. They're too big. They're too big. I mean, they are pretty large and in charge on my feet, let me tell you. Excuse my floor, like, it's quite dusty, crusty at the moment, but I had a bit of an incident with a hoover and we're just not gonna talk about it, okay? Because I may have cried over it. Right, so these are the shoes. They do really look quite ginormous on my feet. Kind of because they are. My feet are big enough as it is, and with these on, they just look like, what are they called? Those things you swim with? Flippers? I'm definitely going to be ordering these in a size 6. I feel like Doc Martens with cute little summer dresses or like cute little cords like this in summer is just going to be my vibe to wear in my garden because God knows how long this coronavirus is going to last. Right, okay, that's quite enough of that. Next outfit. So the next thing I got is this cute little tennis skirt. Now I thought these with a nice big oversized jumper, you could even wear this nice big lilac tie-dye. Whoa, did you see that? That was impressive for me. Shows my skill level. I just think it would look really cute with like the little sort of pleats, English, poking out of the bottom. Is it see-through? I can't really tell. I mean, I'm wearing hot pink underwear, so you tell me. I'm sorry, I feel like you're getting so much wool. And because I live in an old house, my wool is like lumpy. But Alexa, play Nobody's Perfect by Jessie J. You know what I mean? She's got no, Alexa, stop, please. Thank you. God, I really never learn with the Alexa. I mean, I'm really happy with it. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to love it. I'm going to look after it. She is going to be welcomed with a welcome party into my skirt drawer. Sometimes I don't get enough oxygen in because I just talk so quickly. Right, okay, thumbs up. Let's speed on to the next thing. Oh God, I look like a little boy with curtain hair. Okay, so last but very much not least, I feel like people will be surprised that I'm into this sort of stuff. This is so my summer vibe, like little white summer dresses. I just, oh my God, get me to Italy right now. Living my best, call me by your name life. Oh my God, that film. Oh, every time, every time. This is my new favourite little summer dress. I've already featured this on a Instagram picture. This with a pair of Doc Martens or even with a pair of chunky white trainers, a cute little pair of sunnies. The vibes are immaculate. I'm just such a fan. I feel like you're never too old to wear these sort of dresses. I feel like Love Evie. Why do I call her Love Evie? It's like I know her. Evie. Why? Okay, I'm really uncomfortable. Evie would look really cute in this dress. Sorry, you're wonky. Oh god, this just is not. Okay, I'm gonna shut up and close off this video in my beautiful little dress. Oh my god, you're still not straight. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget that I have links to everything, absolutely everything in this haul apart from the jumper because I think it's sold out. I'm sorry. I'll try and find an alternative actually and link that down below for the jumper. That's bad body language, isn't it? It shouldn't cross your arms. So everyone, that is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was lots of fun for me to go through. We had some hits, some misses. It was a roller coaster, let me tell you. I'm so excited to wear all of these outfits into my back garden. If you would like to see more haul videos from me, I do so many hauls. I'm also thinking of maybe doing a Zara haul. I don't know if you guys would be into that. I feel like I just always stick to PLT, Nasty Gal, those sort of like classic online Instagram shops, but I do shop a lot from other places as well, like ASOS, so let me know if you would like to see my hauls from those places. Urban Outfitters, if you do want to sponsor me, please, baby, won't you come my way? Nailed that. Anyway, subscribe if you would like to see more haul videos from me. I have all my social medias listed in the description box down below. I'm most active over on my Instagram. I love you guys so much. Stay home, stay safe, stay happy, positive. I love you. I'm sending so much love to you, and yeah, I will see you guys all very soon. Bye. You got a kiss, you lucky little